Hey guys, welcome to Coding with Chris. All right, so we're back after a week off. And Florida has the weather has just been bouncing all over the damn place, so my allergies have spun out of control and I feel like a big old pile of crap today, but that ain't gonna stop us, is it? And man, it's been a really busy couple of weeks at work. Things are starting to heat up. Man. Long week. Sire, Poto, what's happening? What's up, my dudes? Alright, so last time I seem to remember that we were trying to figure out what to do about the play map. And I decided that the best thing to do here is going to be to use the wave function collapse algorithm for this part. So that's what we're going to do today. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing here, but we're going to figure it out. Starting on the basic AI for my game. Awesome. I'm looking forward to dealing with AI stuff. Right now I'm dealing with all the proc gen stuff. But, I mean, I love that stuff too, so that's why I picked this kind of game, because I like the proc gen. Alright, so first thing we got to do is we've got to, well, let's talk about what we're trying to do here. Alright, first off, I downloaded a little tile set, this Puny World tile set. It's a 16 by 16 tile set. Nice little stuff to play with and see if we can get this going. And then, thank God, I found this sprite sheet indexer, so I can just click on a thing, and I know it's a 16 by 16, and I can click somewhere and find out what the X and Y is for that tile, and what the tile index is, and which column and row it's in. Holy crap, this is nice. So, what we're going to have to do, though, is we're going to have to bring the WFC code into Cave Lords. Then we're going to have to make some definition arrays of which tiles can go next to which tiles. Well, the definitions actually are what's the edge type for top, left, right, bottom. And those edge types, if they match, they can go together. So, first step then is we need to bring in the WFC code, which I don't know exactly how to do that, so let me go and check the README for the... There's no README, so the dev didn't put a README on this OSS stuff. What a dickhead. I can't believe that. Unfortunately, I know a little bit about this code, so we'll just find out what we need to do. So what I need to do is, first of all, I know, documentation. Bunch of pansies needing documentation on stuff, especially open source stuff. What up, man? Actually, I hate writing documentation, so I'm procrastinating on that, hoping that somebody will just get tired of it not having to read me and put a PR up. That works, right? That's so lazy. But, you know, what are you going to do? All right, so what I need, we're going to use the simple tiled model because I haven't implemented the overlapping model yet. But what I got to do is, in lib here, what we're looking for is we need to bring this, and this over. And technically, I mean, I should bring the license over, but I'm gonna cheat myself here. I don't care. So I need to bring these three things over. Was 5.3 the one that included the relative includes Or was that 5.4? Because I'm on 5.3, but I haven't upgraded to 5.4 yet. Anybody know? Or the relative requires, I mean, not includes. Oh, so I want to put this in my live. I thought 5.4 was the latest one. Did I miss a thing? I've been a little out of it the past week. I haven't been keeping up in the Discord because work has just been running me over. So let's make a new folder of WFC, and we shall put all those monkeys in there. Because what I'd like to do is this. So 5.3 has it? Good, because I'm on, I think I'm on 5.3. Let's find out. Yes, I am. I'm on 5.3. Yay! Alright, so I should just be able to include this from my main includes. Which will be nice. Which means I can actually do this in the library now. Make it easier. Well, yeah, in debug mode, I just put it up here. But you do you, boo. Let's see. Scared to upgrade? I just upgrade because I don't care. I just haven't had time to upgrade to 5.4 yet. Oh, because of the DR tiled stuff. Oh, 5.5 is yeah, I must have missed a memo then. Like I said, I've been kind of covered up with work lately, so so let's see. I need to go to my requires, and I want to after all this. No, I could just do it before all this. Let's do it here. Base star, yep. And so I should be able to do just that, I believe. App game live to oops, whoops, forgot the subfolder. You only have 2 screens now. Oh, lightweight. You should have. Just go put it also on your iPad, and then you'll boost my viewer count. What up, Levi? Oh no, only supports 1 external screen. That's so boo. What good is, I mean, that's just a doorstop then. My goodness. What? That's some crap. App game live WFC RB do not exist. That's correct. It's okay. It's okay. What we need to do is move this to the correct live file. See chat, and it will be okay. See, because now Mark Ruby file for reload. The hell does that mean? What the hell does that mean? Yeah, the include is failing, but I don't understand why. I don't know what this specific error means. Mark Ruby file for reload failed. Okay. Well, I didn't have it running. See? I just launched it new. That's a new thing. Okay. Well, let's see if it's an includes thing. Let me move the includes out of here. Ugh. What did I put? Just I knew that. I was just testing y'all. Mother puss buckets. Oh, it's require relative here. Okay. Gotcha. I'll take that. That's okay. Not used to that, but I'll take that. All right. Cool. All right. We got our requires done. Now. Well, yay. I'm really happy about this development because this drives me up the damn wall. Chris Infinite Brain. You betcha, baby. All right, now, the next thing we got to do is make a little definition chart for... Let me get rid of this. I don't need that anymore. We got... Oh. Kind of do need that anymore. Actually... No, I don't. Because what I can do is just look at it here. This will be fine. All right, so what we need is a definition of tiles, an array of hashes that looks like this. Right? So this will just be sequential index numbers. Oh. Now, here's something. So I don't know my sprite sheet stuff in DR very well yet. So I don't know exactly. So like, for instance, this is index 0 and this one is index 87, but they also have XY coordinates and column row coordinates. Can I just reference these, load them by index, or do I have to load them by XY coordinates? What does index mean? Well, the standard, my understanding, again, I'm not a pro game programmer, but my understanding is that, what do you mean, how should DR know that? It should just read my damn mind, right? Oh. Well, true, except... This index is 162 because it goes across and then continues on the next row and then continues on the next row. So I'd actually have to... I mean, it will, but I'll have to do more than just that math because then I have to find out the right row as well. Yeah, but okay, so but I can, there is a way for me to get to what DR needs if I just have the index, and I assume that the indexes are sequential across the rows and they just continue, right? So we'll just agree that I can get there from here. So if I just put sequential indexes for all these things that I want as the identifier, well, the reason is I have to... These are my blobs for a tile, right? So it has to have an identifier. I don't care what the identifier is, but the simplest thing is just going to be an index. And then it's got the edge types for that particular tile and the probability of that tile showing up. Unless I don't have a sprite sheet def file. What are you talking about? I don't know what that is. I mean, I know definition. I'm assuming that's short for definition, but I don't know what a sprite sheet definition file is. Enlighten me, sensei. All right, so I think anyway, we need an identifier. If we have to change it later, we'll change it later. It's fine. So first what I got to do in my play map no, I don't have such a thing. Why would I have such a thing? For what use is such a thing? Are you talking about like the TSX stuff for tiled? Because if so, this didn't come out of tiled, so... Or should that have been... Well, see, here's the thing, though. Well, let me show you what I downloaded. This is Puny World, and all I got was a PNG from that. Right? So there's no definition files for that. So... I could go through and generate my own, but I have not. But I'm basically going to do what I need for that because I'm going to do this. See. This will essentially be my tile definition file, but it's specific definitions for WFC. So what I want is not to be looking there, it's to be looking here. So what I want is a file that will have this stuff, and I need that to be in my sprites. I don't know, is text the best format for that? What's your problem? Oh. Well, it would help if I was typing in the right bloody box, wouldn't it? No. Why wouldn't I not just make... Oh, no, it's not going to be an RB file, though, really. Yeah, I think JSON would be best here. Okay, so I've got an array of things, array of many much hashes that are... Identifier is a thing. We'll say 0 for now. Good. Edge types will be an array, and probability will be a float. And then we will have many much of those. we'll just start with a handful so we can see what happens. But all right, and then the order of these I think is top right, bottom left. But let me see. No, not in the spec. Yeah, top right, bottom left. Okay. Now, these edge types can be anything. So I could make them numbers. I could make them a color. I could make them whatever. Yeah, that's not JSON, is it? Let me do it this way. Okay. Yep. All right. So, here we go. So what I can do is just take the actual index this gives me. So let's say for this one, so this is index 0, and I'm going to make my top edge type. See, these are 16, so if I split it into 4, I could say G for grass, 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 grass. Because I'm allowed to do that. So that's top. And in this particular one, it's all going to be that. And let's say it's a probability of 50.5. There we go. I like it. All right, next. So row index 1, I'm not going to bother with that. We could set all these up so that they're all the GGGGs and same probability, which means I'll get random ones in there. It'll pick one of those randomly and for that spot, but I don't need to spend that time yet. So index 3. All right, so this is, yeah, so this is where it gets a little more interesting. So let's say index 3. The edge type on the top is still all for grass. On the right, it's all for grass, and on the bottom, it's different. And on the left, it's all for grass. So on the bottom, we're going to say it is grass, path, path, grass. That's what we're going to say. And I'm just making this crap up. This is just my arbitrary naming system. Doesn't matter what it is. Let's go ahead and set the rest of these up here. Okay. And we're going to say that has a probability of 0.1. Because I want it that way. That's why. All right. And then here we want to do this one. This is index 30. And we want that. There's got to be some way to automate. I mean, ultimately, WFC will be able to automate this identification stuff and put these maps together itself. But for now, it can't. So top is grass, path, path, grass, and then grass all the way down the right, and then same on the grass, path, path, grass on the bottom, and then grass up the left. Right? So we got, nope, top is this one. happened? Oh. Left and right are that one. And bottom is this one. Right? Yay. There we go. Super duper. And then we've got this one, which is pretty much the same. And then we've got this one, which is index 57. And that one is pretty much all grass except for the top. There. All right. So we've got some vertical path things. Nice. Now let's do something else. We'll just leave that for now. And let's do some water. Yeah, let's do this. All right, so 277. Oh, I might want to give these some... All right, so this one is going to be grass, grass, grass on the top. Grass, 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 grass. Then we're going to have grass, water, water, water. And then water, 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 water. And then grass, 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 grass. Yay. Next is where are we? This one? Yeah, so this, that's 278. So that is just grass on the top and everything. So it's like this one, except this is also that. Okay. And then 279 is pretty much this goes on the bottom. Right? Yeah. Okay. We'll call that 0.05 because why the hell not? Except that was 279. Okay, we're good. We're all good. Now, I think that's probably enough to see what happens. I mean, it's not going to make a very intriguing map, but it'll make a map. Okay. So, what I need to do, and this we'll get to because we'll have different tile sets depending on the biome of the world you made, but for right now, I'm not going to worry about it. All right, so the tile set is I need to load that JSON. Does your Levi, does your utility have like a load from JSON thing? Or a load from file, I mean? Or is that just in mruby itself? I don't know what our JSON capabilities are here. Levi's live. Ah, okay. So I just need to load the text from a file with standard mruby crap and then just let your stuff parse it. Okay. So we'll just treat it as a text file. I'm assuming well, wait. Bad Chris, what did I do? What did I do, Levi? No, we don't gem install anything. Oh, that's a thing? Where am I at here? Does it? Okay, now what's the pathing relativity to this? Like, what does it know about its path? So it knows from my game. Okay, so I can just relative it from my game. So it should be then sprites and this thing. Right? So that should be the thing. As always, Levi, don't assume that I know things, even if you've told me them before, because I have the memory span of a goldfish. Okay? Okay? I'm old. All right, so now we want to, I think I need the symbols. I know. Yeah, I really do need the symbols. So your stuff has a thing to parse them, right? Well, it's not called parse. What do we got here? What do we got here? Do I have a new enough version? Probably not. Well, considering that's 2022, I'm gonna say not. Wait, isn't there a way that I can pull this in directly with Dragon Ruby? Doesn't that isn't that a thing I can do? Doesn't it have a download library magic dealio? Since it's a one-line library. How I does that? I can't remember the... Let me look at the... Yeah, that. It doesn't have any docs on it. Of course, that I can't just call that from the command line, so... Wait, I could go into the IRB though, right? No, that's not... IRB is not DR. How would I even call that? Do I just need to do it here? How did somebody find out about this if there's no docs? This will absolutely work 100%. Ah, thank you. Well, can I not just do it here? All right, it's done a thing. Oops. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, but where did it put it? Oh, it just puts it there. Okay. What? Why did it fail to download? What it done? Did I spell something wrong? Levi on get. Yeah. Dragon JSON. No, I didn't mean live on sat. Oh, God. What? So it is Dragon JSON. JSON.rb. What did I miss? Oops. I'm confused as to what happened. Well, it is. I mean, yes, it's easier. I just was trying to see if this is a thing that worked. Apparently it doesn't work. Oh. So you give it... Oh. Well, but it generated the download URL. Oh. Oh. I see. Yeah, all right. I'm not gonna fight with it though. What I'm just gonna do is download the bloody thing. This needs to go to... You need to get your license to... What the hell is... Here, my game, live, nope. App. Game, live. I think I want to put this in a subfolder. Save that, and then that way I can just put the license next to it. Oh, Levi, you didn't update your copyright date. Bad Levi. I got to yell at Levi. All right, so now, first off, I need to get rid of this. I don't care, Levi. It's not 2022 anymore, and you have to update it. No excuses. Let's see. So now we got utilities. No, not utilities. Dragon JSON. So I need to fix the requires. Do, 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 do. Where is it? Why is it not in here? How is it not in here? That's weird. Okay. Spelled all that right? Right? Yep. Right? Nope, just JSON RB. Got it. All right. So fix that up, and then, oh, I might want to look at it to find out what the commands are I need. Parse. So I do Levi's libs JSON parser dot parse. What am I passing? Oh, I want a new first. New JSON parse. No what? No what? Symbolize keys true. That should be true. Oops. Just JSON parse. Well, I still need a new, don't I? What? Well, all right, listen here. Here's the parse right here. What am I passing in the path? No, it's not a singleton. It's okay, sire. I sit corrected most times I'm streaming when Levi is in here. Levi, you're my buddy. So I don't understand if I don't have to do a new, how do I pass in the JSON string? All right, well, where how is this defined that it's passing in the JSON string first? I don't, oh, it's not in the JSON parser. It's just, oh. Gotcha. So that, and then what else do I need? Extensions. What is extensions? Oh, just the okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. So I want that true. All right. Maybe objects. Maybe? What do you mean maybe? You don't give me maybes, Levi. You give me guarantees. Hey, Death Unaccounted. How's it going? Haven't implemented objects yet. What? All right, well, we'll see what happens. All right, so what I need is this will be my tile set, and then we'll put that out to see what we get. Right? Right. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Nope. That is true. Forgot to take that out. All right, new game. Oh, dude, that's totally fine. I'm a noob too. So, you know, welcome. Welcome to the club. Learn along. Sure, we'll start there. And I blew something up. What did I blow up? Missing keyword in the say what? Did I not call it correctly? We've been calling that though. I haven't changed that. What did we map scene 45. I in fact did not call it like that. Okay. All right. What is it? Oh. Right? Right. There we go. Hey, yeah, that's not going to work. You can't hot reload my crap. It's too broken. Sure, we'll start here. Hey! All right, so we've successfully loaded the stuff. That's good. Good start. All right, now. All right, so now we need to WFC this thing. That's gonna be loads of fun. Actually, it's not. It shouldn't be that bad. All right, so let's first go look at the sample for this thing, because I've forgotten how to run my own code. Yeah, this is the right one. I don't want the spec. I want this. There we go. All right, so we've got our tile array. We want to make a model object. And let's make it to start with just a 10 by 10. That should be big enough at the beginning. Tiles? No, we didn't call it tiles. What is tiles? Yeah, we'll call it tile set. That's what we're after. All right, so that'll start it off, and then I think it's solve all is the Da. I guess was what I did for this. Oh, no. There's a solve all in here somewhere, I swear. Ah, there we go. All right, so we want to take this. Do that with it. Solve all my problems? Yeah, I wish. All right, because the tiled map has the tiled map, not tiled map, the tiled simple tiled model has two modes I put in there. I did a solve all that'll basically go iterate through all of the stuff and give you back the completely solved map, or you can do solve and then iterate so that you can show the building of the map, but that's slower. And Levi, I'm probably going to have to get you to go through this and optimize it some, because I've run out of places to optimize, but it needs optimize. It's just too slow. Or I'm going to have to go to a C import, C wrapper, and just make it pro only or something. But I don't want to do that. But I'm just not sure that Minecraft. No, what we're actually doing here is kind of ripping off RimWorld to learn. Perl only? Why the hell would I do it in Perl, Levi? Are you drunk? So anyway, yeah, that's what I heard. Me either. Unless you can get drunk on caffeine. No, thank you. I don't. Yeah, I've got enough of that in real life without having to put it in my code. So anyway, I'm kind of basically riffing off of RimWorld. So this is an open source project, and we're just trying to learn Dragon Ruby and Ruby game programming and some game programming concepts and stuff. And I just come in here, every Tuesday and get made fun of by chat because I don't know anything. And then Levi tells me how to do things correctly, and then other people get to learn. All right, so I've got this tiled map, and what that should do is give me back a 10 by 10 array of what am I saying? Of identifiers, so indexes. So I should have a 10 by 10 array of indexes that then I can just load from the tile set in that array, right? But what I want to do first is just put out the tile map and make sure we got what we think we got while we think we gotten it. I really need to work on the save load map so I don't have to go through this crap every time. I mean, it's not that bad, but still. Oh, Levi, you broke it. What? Arcs method missing. What? I don't see what the actual exception is. Oh, there we are. Metadata file does not have all required. No, that's not it. That's not the error. It's the actual damn error. Playmap 13. What am I missing here? I don't think so. tile set, output width, output height. What's your problem? An out of scope args. Oh, here. Son of a biscuit. All right. Well, I have a solution for that. I've just forgotten what it is. All right. This one? Yeah. Oh, you are not going to reload. Stop it. Picky. You should have just known what I meant. Just because I typoed it doesn't mean you should blow up on me. Damn, Ruby. Oh, balls. Lionel. Is that kind of like Nabot? Playmat 15. What's the problem? Arg's method missing. Well, son of a biscuit. How is that? Because I've got that now-ish. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna use... Don't worry about it. Make my life easier. Thank you. I'm not using DR tiled. Wow, that's weird. What the hell is that? Is it just truncating? Huh. That's a bit bizarre. Let's see. Let's look at what's this called? Tiled map. Oh shoot, we're not actually inside this, are we? All right. Well, you know what? Shouldn't have, but still, that's shouldn't be giving me back the whole hash. It's just supposed to give me back the identifier. The hell is that all about? Hey. What did I do? So the solve all falls through. So that's the process grid result. Yes, I want. See, your code's still in here, Levi. Really, I didn't know Ruby would do that in the print. I've never actually seen that before. But then I also don't put out a lot of large arrays of hashes. So I think what I actually want here is that just the identifier. That's what I want. I don't want a bloody hash. Yeah. So I'll have to fix that in the... Okay, that looks better. That's what I was expecting. So now I've just got a 10 by 10. Hopefully, it doesn't look 10 by 10, does it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I guess it is. 10 by 10 array of just indexes of tiles. So now, this is the part that I suck at because this is the DR put it on the screen part. So I need to be in the scene. I think. No. I don't want to spawn a pawn right now. So the map. So that's going to call into here. I'm going to call generate map. Because it calls to the generic map. Map, and that calls generate map. So what I get back from that is this. Yes. Then what I need to do is render each of those tiles out. So I'm gonna do that. Well, first of all, I need to save that off. Right. So then I want to I just want to draw. Right? Let's call it draw map. Okay, then what's your problem? No. Shut up, Rubicop. You don't know my best life. All right, so then what I want? What do I want? Then I want tile IDs. You son of a... Got an ID. I know how much you love each. Levi, so I'm going to use that here. Okay, this is where I just confuse myself every time. So let's look at examples. Right. Let's go to what I want is a render target, right? Ultimately. Yep. Ooh, what's this doing? What is this? I've never seen that before. Output scene. What? Oh, that's just a render target. Oh, I didn't. It always been like that, or is that an alternate? Like, is that some syntax sugar? Okay, so it's all right. So it's some syntax sugar. Yeah. So does that mean I don't have to do all the outputs first and then assign those to the render target? I can just do it directly? Because that would be mo better. You have no idea. Well, then let's find out what I can do here. Well, first off, I need to get... All right, hold on. Hold the phone. Nope, not the main menu scene. Wrong scene. This one. All right. Direct access of what? You mean Levi's example there? Well, I don't know. Is it? You tell me. All right, so I want to... Yeah, I think I moved... The map scene has some higher level stuff. So we want to create render targets. Yeah. So here I need target defs for the play map. I forget the systems I set up myself. Oh, I've already got it. Okay, cool. Play map sprites. Oh, yeah. So I don't need to do that. The play map actually does that. How am I doing that in the world map? I may have out-clevered myself here. All right, well let's do what we need to do first. Not worry about the abstraction stuff. So I need to be in my So I don't need that, and I don't need that. This extra crap out of the way. All right, good. And what are you griping about? Oh, that's what you're griping about. So if I do, let's say I make a render target of that. Oh, I need to set the sprites first, though, from that tile sheet, right? Oh, ooh. This confuses me so bad. I know everybody thinks this is really simple, but my brain does not latch this really well. So in the world map scene, where am I doing the draw the render targets to the world map, right? That's for the box. Okay. So I have to put the stuff in the output sprites first. No, that's what we're saying here, is I can just do output scene dot sprites and put the stuff in there directly, right? Like this. Yes. But now how do I tell it? You push to primitive so you can control the order. Well, yeah, I probably will. So, all right. What I'm trying to accomplish is I've got a 10 by 10 array of the IDs, the indexes of those things. So I know I'm gonna have to convert these indexes to XY coordinates. But what I need to do is make this into the sprites so I can paint it to the screen, right? So first off, I have to figure out where that tile sheet is. Yes, that's a 2D array. Correct. 10 by 10. What I don't understand. That's... Oh, well, yeah. I mean, yes, I'll go clean this up, but I just need to... I need to pump it out here so my brain can wrap around it real quick, what I'm doing. So, yes, I agree. It will need optimization. So, what is the draw? The hell is that? Okay. So, all right. So path is the name of the render target, right? Yeah, that's the name of the render target. Where do I give it the name of the... tile sheet? Somewhere I'm doing that, and I can't remember where the hell that was. What's the name of that thing? So... I forgot I had this. Holy hell. So this actually is going to be... Okay, so the tile has its own sprite. All right, I think I'm back on track now. It's okay. All right, so the name of this one is this. I really have... Oh no, I just put it in there. The sprite size is 16 by 16. Good. And then I did do the stuff to... Oh my goodness. Yeah. But its sprite needs to be based on an index. So I need to pass an index in here. When it calls that. Oh, that's going to be a problem though. No, that's not gonna work. Because let's see here. Because the tile map flattens. So tile map would... Oh, crap. Alright, so I'm going to have to do this a little differently. And why am I doing this as tiles? I don't need to do this as tiles. Yeah, I am gonna need this as tiles, so I need to go through the sprites. Each tile needs to get set up. But the playmap tile is sprite X and sprite Y. Yeah, I can't add an index there. I need to... My sprite sheet manager should... Yeah, that generates the X and Y based on a row and a column. In order to do that, based on an index, I have to know how many rows and how many columns. Or oh, you can't do method overrides in what? And then what I need is what do I need? In order to calculate this from an index, I gotta know the total map each tile ID to a tile. Well, that's kind of what I'm gonna accomplish here in the sprite manager, the sprite sheet manager, is I can pass it an index and get back the XY coordinates for that. Yeah. But this one is by column and row, but that's not what I need. What I need is one by index. Back to the math we were talking at the beginning of the stream, but in order to do that, I need to know the total width of the sprite sheet in pixels. Right? Because what I am trying to do, empty tiles have an ID. Empty tiles where? In the sprite sheet itself? You mean like here? Like if I do this? Yes, they are still... Well, because all it's doing, they don't actually have an ID. This is all calculated based on where the pixel is and based on what the total width is, and it's the fact that it's 16 by 16. So all of this stuff is just calculated, which we could do too. The problem is I've got to get the overall width and height of the sprite sheet to do that calculation. Or at least the overall width. I don't necessarily need the height. I just need to know when the indexes need to roll over. Right? So how am I going to get the width of... Does DR have any facilities to get the width of a sprite file? I don't want to hard code it because that sucks rocks. All right, well, what I can say then, all right, let's say what have I missed? My brain exploding. So I need to know the total pixel width of the sprite sheet. Does DR have any facilities to do that, to find that out? Here's a sprite sheet. How many pixels wide is it? If not, I'll have to calculate it, which is fine. Get sprite box. Although, what is the width and height I'm passing in here? That, okay, so I'm giving it that, but I don't... Okay. Well, we'll figure it out then. So what I need then is I've got to have the sprite sheet manager needs to be able to take all right, so we're going to add that. And all right, so if I have the number of columns, I already know the sprite size, I can get the pixel width. Fine. So if I have an index, I've got everything, and the number of columns I've got, that's everything I need to yeah. Yep, I can do that. All right, so this then is it was 26. Yeah. Okay, good. And yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to put this there. Why would I need that? I don't need that. So sprite by index is going to be, yeah. So first I have to convert index to row and column. So I need the I should do it like this. No, I shouldn't do it like this. Because what I don't want to do is calculate the total. So this is the num columns times the times the sprite size. But I should only ever have to calculate that once. I don't want to calculate it every time I call sprite by index. So Calc sprite box in the init of the sprite manager. Oh. What is that? What does sprite box return? That's a good idea. Why I know fines. Oh, is it one word? Nope. Yeah, as you can see, I still know find. Which set of docs did you find that in? Let me refresh and make sure. I mean, I just opened this today, but... I mean... That's what I'm looking at, right? Hold the phone. I don't know how I did that, but whatever. Okay, so if I pull that back, does it tell me? So I'm assuming it's... Well, let's just see what it returns. So I could call... Shit, I don't have access to... Yeah, this... No, I don't want to try to bring DR into this PORO, though. Oh, nice, Poto. Finished the code for the inventory. Cool. 5,000 lines, I see. There you go. Milestone. Are you celebrating with a cake or something? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pass in the num columns. So this... Oh, I did that. And then we make that optional. I don't have to change my other calls. All right, so then, okay, good. So then this can just be calculated once in the initialize. That solves that problem. Wow. Yep. Well, no, because I want to know if... Otherwise, I may start... So, Poto, I'm using the WFC to try to get this little sample set to do some map generation in Cave Lords. And right now we've got I've got back the WFC passed me back my 10 by 10 array of indexes for the sprite sheet. So now I need to convert sprite sheet indexes to actual XY coordinates to stick them in the sprites output. And I've got a sprite sheet manager class, so now we just need working on those calculations. But yeah, I want to know if I didn't give you a number of columns, I shouldn't be calling this. This is going to be all kinds of wrong. So I want to know that there's a 0. I mean, yeah, we'll see what it does. Anyway, so I've got, so if my index needs to be, it's going to be the total width. I need to look at a picture. All right, so if I'm here, so this is index 10. I pass you index 10 and I want to get the XY coordinates of this. So it's going to be, no, let's use one that's not on the first row. So index 37. And I've got 26 total columns here. All right, so what I need to do is from the index, I need to find the column and width that we're on, or column and row. I don't need to make that an I-bar. So that's going to be my total width divided, I didn't call it total width. Oh, good. Can you then tell me what the math is? So I don't have to think. So which column I am is yeah, this is gonna hurt my brain. So I've got my total pixel width, number of pixels. I know I've got 26 columns in this particular case. My index is going to be no, which column I'm in is going to be the total pixel width. Shit. Math. Seth! What is Seth? In this particular case, there's 26 columns of 16 by 16 sprites. Yeah, so each of these is 16 by 16, and there's 26 columns, and how the hell ever many rows. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to do math, Levi, and you know that's not a good idea. If I pass you an index, right? I've got this sprite sheet. Pass an index. Yes. Well, actually, you're right. There are actually 27 columns in this. Index modulus number of columns. So my number of columns should be 27. I wasn't thinking zero based. So that means in my playmap scene, I should have. I know. It's bloody noob mistakes. Did I not pass that anywhere? Oh no, I didn't. Because it was... there. That should have been 27, but that's not how we do it now. We do it here. Each row is 27 elements, goes from 0 to 26 for index, correct? Yep. Okay, so my column is going to be my total number of columns. I need the idiv, which is so wait, you're saying it's not that modulus. That's what you're saying? All right, hold on. I got to catch up on chat here. A lot of stuff going on here, and it's math, so it's going to take me a minute. Wait, what? Okay, wait. All right, and I've got two different stories here. Wait, hold on. In the 0 columns -1 range, yeah. But Poto says. Okay, so Poto, you're agreeing with what Levi's saying? I like your explanation. My little brain cell can wrap around that. Okay. Alrighty then. Alright, so you say column is that, and row is the index. What is a truncate? on math. Is that the same as an idiv? You just truncating the remainder? It's like opposite modulus? Okay, so it's... Well, but it's not the same as idiv because that doesn't do any rounding, it just chops. So basically, it's the opposite of modulus. That's what I'm understanding. All right, so what I really need then, okay, so that's the column, but what I'm looking for are XY coordinates. So my X, cool. My X coordinate is that times my sprite size, right? Yep. Oh, this is not good. Yeah, I know, right? Levi and Seth. Well, you put Levi and Seth in a room. That's dangerous math there. Well, see, Poto, I'm the same way. I got to sit down and just, you know, write it out one step at a time. And then I can combine things, but... Might want to use the right keys there. So this is my Y coordinate, right? That should be right, right? Because my sprite size times my column is my X, and my sprite size times my row is my Y. Yes. What are you bitching about? Don't use parentheses around a method call. Fine. Whiny thing. But now, all right, so you're saying idiv doesn't round, so... Twitch don't know no better. Row column equals... Holy shit, what is that? A div mod is a mad math thing I haven't run into before. All right. I'll leave it like this for a minute because my brain's gonna fall out. And I want to see if we're getting where I need to get. Then we can make it prettier and more optimized. All right, so if that's the case, then my sprite is actually try to draw whatever you have now and see what's wrong. Yeah, well, yeah, that's kind of where I'm going. It's just Levi's giving me some shortcuts here. So what I want is just my X coordinate and my Y coordinate, and then the sprite sizes, which is 16 by 16. So this gives me the same return, it's just a different calculation. Right. Okay, good. Now. So here, then, I want Oh God, what do I want? We're always getting everything shifting right by sprite size. Oh, ew. Drawing diagonally, that would have made me cry a little bit. All right, so we're getting closer. All right, now. Now, So my playmap tile does sprite. So what I want is... So my playmap tile is what needs to get that index. Yeah. So I don't actually want an X. Oh, shoot. What did you find? '53 div mod 26.0. I don't understand what div mod actually does, though. I mean, I'll learn that, but not right this hot second. Oh. Oh. All right, so if I get... This is where I'm actually doing the sprite stuff. So what I need to do is my sprite sheet manager, I need to call the get by index. But in order to do that, the playmap tile has to have an index. Poto. Dude, English is the only language I speak, and I get those confused. I mix those up all the time. So, it ain't just you, my dude. Let's see, y'all. Oh, stupid Discord. So, TII in. I'm assuming you meant 2i. Yeah, there you go. And in my... Okay, so it just gives you both of those things back as an array. So it gives you the truncated div and then the mod. Or which what, huh? Are you talking about? Oh, truncation is, yeah, that's a DR necessity. What? All right, Poto, I've kind of lost track of where you're at now. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to get the right sprite back from here. Yes. Correct. Yeah. So yeah, I'll go change that to div mod here in a bit. Right. Yeah, the modulo. Love when it depends on stuff. Well, I could. Oh, shoot. So this tile is inherited. So, but oh, okay. It's cool. It doesn't have an XY. It has a yeah, so the play map tiles are going to be by index. So in order to pass the XY to super, I need to get, oh god, do I even care about calling super? Well, yeah, but in order to do that, I need to, oh jeez. Need to move this down. Oh no. No, I just want the column and all right. I'm getting tired and stupid here. What I'm trying to get to is actually this sprite hash. So what I need is the column and the row of this index. So if the tile just knows its index, this stuff, that is irrelevant. That was temporary crap. This is what I want to get back, but my X and Y, so I didn't need, and Jesus. All right, so I didn't need sprite by index. I need sprite hash by index. Index and scale multiplier. That needs to figure out the column and the row. Photo. The only Asian kid in math class and not excelling at it. Oh, wow. That's funny. All right, so if I yeah, so if I get that and then I call sprite hash with my index column, God bless it, index row and scale multiplier, that should get me what I want. So I don't need this. That was just estupido. Yeah, yeah, and then so basically all I'm doing is converting an index into column and row and giving me that. So now I can do your thing and I call div mod this. Wait, just that, right? Yeah. All right, so that, because div mod returns me the returns me the modulus, and then nope, I got this backwards. I need, right? It needs to be this way. Yeah, yeah. Because I'm getting back the division, the truncation first, which is the row, and then I'm getting back the modulus, which is the column. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. And then that'll call this thing, which is what is working. Yeah, YX. Well, from if you're using standard. What? Huh? What? Gives you YX and XY. What? How's that a thing? All right, so now... Ah, not XY. Okay. You gotta be careful, Poto. I've only got one brain cell. It's easy to confuse it. 7 a.m. and you didn't sleep. Dude, come on. I mean, I'm super glad you're here. That's exciting and all. But sleep, my man. All right, so now my play map tile just basically needs to, so I don't need to do that. And then I do by index. I pass it the sprite index. Well, we'll just do index. All right, and then, but then I've got to Excited to get your... I mean, I get that. You get excited about stuff and just kind of put the blinders on and keep trucking. Still, though, you know. Well, but you're younger than me. If I don't get 8 hours of sleep every night, I can't handle that no more. My whole body falls apart. Delete the 6th line? Well, yeah, but... Well, no. Well, yeah. Well, yes, but I need to find out how to get this. I gotta get this. You know what? For right now, I'm just gonna... Because I'm not really using X and Y there. Wait a second. I'm so dumb. My... this is the XY coordinates of the map tile. Not... I don't know what you mean, Levi. Swapped what? All right, so no, I'm not gonna omit the hash value. Shut up. So now I need to go to the play map scene, which is here. And I need to... Oh, no. I need to... Where was my each? It's in my draw, right? No. Yeah, here we go. It draws the shape of spirals. Neat. Maybe I want that. All right, so each of these tile IDs, I need to actually just create a tile for each one of them. I can't do that. That's a 2D. For God's sake. Okay, and then there I need to... X is I, Y is J, and what else do I have to pass to it? Here. Size. Uh, 16. That's fine. And my scale needs to be 16 there. Okay. So I've created a new tile. That's great. Where do I put it? So I need to put that in... Actually, before I draw the map... Yeah, so first I need to have... Oh god, does this have access to ARGs? Yeah, it does. Why did I do I and J instead of X and Y? What is wrong with me? Okay. Right? Right. All right. Now. Right. Right. Okay. Well, yeah, this isn't the... What's not right? What did I miss? Oh, yeah, ARGs, oh my god, I'm getting so tired. State. That's what I meant to do. There. Tile IDs. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, so this is just gonna, this doesn't actually give me my, so while I'm putting these in there, I also need to set my, yeah, so I will get a sprite hash back. I get the whole hash. So I should just be able to stick that in my primitives, right? So, and if I can do it here in the same loop, so I can say... I actually want to... this, because I need to do... I don't want to use a shovel in this tight loop, though, do I? That's going to be nasty. Don't. Listen, I caught it. I need that. That would be bad, right? I just want to map this at the end. So... Why do I not want to access state? Because I want this playmap saved off because I need to save it to file later. What's also wrong? Good God. I told you I'm getting tired. Oh, accessing state. Well, where the hell else would I put it? Oh, just make a playmap and then just shove it into state once. Right, okay. Okay. And then here I need to... what did I call that? Sprite hash. Oh no, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that with a function, can I? Wait a damn minute. Yes, I can. What am I thinking? I just do that. Right? So I gotta flatten that 2D out to a 1D, and then I can just map. Yeah, I can imagine. Well, I mean, they're just trying to get it out the door. I can afford to spend a million years just optimizing stuff. I might actually want to do that correctly, but but playmap's going to be a 2D array. Don't I have to flatten that first? Oh, okay, doke. All right, so now I've got the primitives out. Can't assign anyway. What do you mean? Oh. Yeah, shovel. But okay, so now that I've got that, all I need to do is draw that to, because these are the individual sprites. Now I just need to actually draw it to a render target, right? Is that how that flow goes? The output's primitives. That's for the progress bar. So creating the render targets. You want it to render it to an RT, then output it to an RT and not the main outputs. Well, I mean, I do want it to render to an RT, right? I don't need that. I mean, that's the best option, is it not? Oh shit. I'm out of time. All right. Well, let's just leave it like this, because this will actually print it to the map, to the screen, right? It'll render it. Yeah, the tick does a draw. Yeah, all right, so let's just see what we get. I mean, yeah, I eventually want to get it to a render target, but I need to be stopping soon. Bets on whether this works the first time. Oh. Okay. All right. All right, here's what needs to happen. I need to stop because I'm too tired and I'm late for dinner. So what I'm going to do is I am going to push this up so it's all saved. Next time we'll continue on. If anybody wants to look at that, yeah. Oh, I can't. I've tried to use the GUI stuff for Git, and that just confuses the shit out of me. I can't. My brain doesn't do it. So that's up there under this session name branch. If anybody wants to look at it and see what I dicked up, knock yourselves out. But otherwise, we will continue this on next Tuesday. But I need to go get another cup of coffee and have some dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for helping me. I really do appreciate you being here. And discovering all this stuff together. See, we all learned something today. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and most importantly, tell your friends to come watch. Thursday, we will have Coda is coming on, actually, and we'll be hosting the show, interviewing Creston on starting small businesses. So that should be a lot of fun because I just get to shut up and watch. So I'm excited about that. So that'll be on Thursday, and then Friday, Creston will be back with coding his project. So hope to see you guys there. We will I can't think of what the next Thursday is, but anyway, I'll be back on next Tuesday. So please bring us subscribers. We need subscribers, guys. Subscribers and followers. Bring them. Tell your friends. Tell everybody. And bring them into DR because, you know, it's lovely. So hope you guys have a good week. I will see you on Thursday. And until then, happy pro.